What's up, YouTube? Well, I'm gonna do a video. I don't know how long it'll be for the video, but I'm gonna make a announcement in the video, and then first I'm gonna show you some uh, some new kits that I got yesterday. I put up a vid that it's been in my it's been there for a while. Just forgot I upload it, So I've got some more stash ads. I've got some shop update, and then I got a special announcement I want to make. So let's get on with the video. So yesterday I actually found this kit. I didn't even know they made this kit, and I guess it's new. And maybe there's a Miller High Life kit too. I don't know if it's a Mack truck or what, but I'm gonna get that one. I thought this was a neat truck, so I went ahead and picked it up. So I did go to Andy's and I picked up a couple kits and a couple wheel sets and stuff. So let me show you what I picked up. So this kit here, I think it's pretty cool. I was gonna text a picture of this to a buddy of mine because he's into semis and stuff. He's a truck driver actually. So I'm gonna see what he thinks of it too. So I don't even think he knows it's out. So I haven't opened it. Maybe we'll do a review. I gotta do some more reviews. I'm thinking about doing videos twice a week, maybe like on a Wednesday or Saturday. So I think that'd be probably a good time to do videos, maybe midweek and end of the week or something, towards the end of the week. So get more like on track, because everything's going pretty good. So I thought this was a neat kit, so I picked that up. There's some of the stuff here. I cleaned my room up, so let me see here. I wasn't really ready for the video, but yeah, you guys will like some of the kits. Here's another one I picked up. This is another new release. The other two kits are kind of older, so the Sonoma, I thought it was pretty cool because it had a snowboard and stuff. So I think maybe I'll slam this truck down or something. But I thought it was pretty cool. So I used to own one of these a long time ago, but it was an extended cab version. So I thought this truck was kind of neat, the box art. One of these days we'll go through my stash, and then we'll look at stuff to do open box reviews, because I'm a builder. I don't care if they're open or closed. So, and some people, they don't want to open them, so I'll open them. I'm gonna open that thing one of these days. I'm gonna open it soon, maybe next week. So I mean, if that's gonna make some people mad, maybe you guys want to close your eyes, because I'm gonna open it. I'm a builder. So I thought that was kind of something I can do something with. So I went to Andy's and I picked up this. I built this a long time ago, and it's like, this kit's been around for a long time, and I thought, maybe I'd buy it. But I've got a special project lined up. I want to kind of build like kind of a tribute to my grandson or something. It'll be something that I'm really gonna do this year. That it's a genre he really, really, really likes, and a genre that I really, really like, and I'm gonna put them both together, and it's gonna be really cool. So it might be with a Chevelle, I'm not sure, but I'm weighing towards a Chevelle. So anyway, that's why I picked this up. I don't know if I'm going to use this Chevelle or not, but this might be the one I use. So, okay. Did you guys want to see the box art? Everybody's probably seen this kit 1,000 times. I built it. I liked it when I was younger. He had this kit, and I just picked it up. It was part of his stash that he had bought. So I went ahead and picked it up. Thought it was cool. So this one, I was gonna buy this kit here, and a buddy of mine was eyeing the other one. think it was American Muscle or something. I don't remember what it was, but I was down there and he didn't buy it. So then I told him, well, if it was this kid, I would have picked it up. And they found one in the stash. And they called me and I went down there and I picked it up. I thought it was pretty cool. I don't have one of these in my stash. So I thought this was cool. And Matt, you know, you guys know him as Lucas C. He built this kit, and we were talking about how great the box art was on this kit. And it's pretty cool. But I think I got some plans for this kit, so, and it's a builder. It's gonna be a builder, so maybe we'll look inside the box someday. But right now, the video's getting up there in time, so I want to be able to finish my video and get to my announcement and my shop update. So I did pick up a die cast yesterday. I thought this was cool. So yeah, I picked that up. I'm into this kind of stuff, so I have die cast all over my room. You guys have seen a lot of it. So anyway, I thought these were cool. I don't know if a lot of you guys remember these, the Kragers. I thought these were cool. I had to pick a set of these up, so I think these are Keystones. Let's see, yeah, they're Keystones. I thought they're pretty cool. So, and he cut me a good deal on things. So, but let's see where I'm at in the shop here. I've got some carpet in this interior. I've two-toned this interior. This is the RX-7, by the way. I don't know if you can see the two-tone well in here, but I did two-tone it. The seats are two-toned as well. And I was gonna put a harness in here, but I'm gonna go ahead. I went ahead and drilled some loops in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the seat belts like they would be normally. So, whoa, take it easy there. Okay. And I did the dash. I don't know if you can see everything. I two-toned the door panels. You won't be able to see like the speaker when it's down there. It's white, kind of glossed it up a little bit. The wheels are all done. You guys have seen the paint if you haven't, referred to a couple videos ago. Maybe even the last video. So here's the wheels. Thought they're cool. So let's put this aside for a little bit. So if you guys didn't see a few videos back, I was talking about once I hit 1,000 subs that I might do a giveaway. So we're thinking about doing a giveaway here. So I gotta go out and purchase 3 pretty decent kits. I want to do something with a nice genre people will like. I don't want to really give anything away out of my stash because my whole stash is pretty much sealed, or unsealed. I'd rather give away something that's brand new and stuff. So we're gonna do a giveaway. I don't know how many kits yet. I don't know what yet, but in the near future, expect a giveaway. I'll do a random giveaway, and it'll be the same rules as most people do. You know, you have to be subbed to the channel, and you got to mention, you know, you're in the comments, and I'll put you guys in the giveaway. So, but I thought that would be kind of cool. Maybe do a giveaway. But that's kind of my big announcement. Maybe it's not that big, but it is to me. So. I've been at this just as long as a lot of you guys have. I've been on YouTube for quite a while, and it took me that long to get 1,000 subs. Some people just cruise through the subs, but it took me a while. Maybe it's because I disappeared for a little while and took a break, but well, we're back, and we're back at it pretty strong. So Vegas trip is coming up, so I hope to see a lot of my friends out in Vegas. I know I have a few that are going out there, so that's going to be kind of fun. I hope to hang out with a bunch of people over there. I've been building on this too lately, so I'll do an update on this video. Maybe we'll get her finished this week. I don't know. It's kind of, I'm enjoying this kit. It's kind of cool. So me and Zayden been messing with that, and we've been messing with stuff like this in the shop. I built him a little boat, and he usually says, let's do a video. So, I mean, I'll wait for him to say, let's do a video. But anyway, I want to get cracking on this today. I'm gonna try to get the interior done and maybe some chassis stuff, and hopefully I'll finish this RX-7 up this week, and we'll get the decals for the VW hopefully this week, get that done and cleared, and I'll get that all done, and then maybe I'll start on I'm thinking maybe a semi. Or when's the truck build? Anybody know? Let me know. Jeff, if you're listening, let me know when the truck build is. Looking forward to that. I'll probably be in on that this year. Maybe I'll save that build for then. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short, and everybody, you guys all have a great and safe rest of your week and next week, and I'll see you guys maybe Wednesday. All right, you guys all take care and have fun. Happy modeling.